Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set the dual time on your Suunto Core watch. So what exactly would dual time be? That would be for you being able to track the time in a different time zone other than your current location. Now, if you are traveling, you always want to set your current location to the time zone that you're in, and then the dual time would be the other time zone that you're wanting to check. So first and foremost, let me show you that on the timekeeping screen, dual time is actually available as an option that's viewable to you. You can see my current time is going to be up top. I can press the view button a couple of times and I can actually see my dual time as well. So this way, this is a view that you can see your current time as well as the other time zone that you're wanting to track. But what if you want to set that value to a different value? I'm going to show you how we do that. It's very easy. We're going to press and hold the menu button, which is the middle button on the right hand side of the watch. Once we get into our menu settings, we're going to just arrow down using the down button to time and date. We're going to press menu to select time and date. Again, we're going to press the down button till we get to dual time. We're going to press the menu button, and then we're going to have a couple values that are going to blink. It's very easy. You've got your hours. You're going to use the up or down button to set the hours for the other time zone that you're wanting to track. So for example, I'm going to set it to 8:30. I'm going to press menu. My minutes will start blinking. Again, I can adjust the minutes if I needed to, pressing up or down. Once I've got it set the way I want, I'm just going to press the menu button and I've successfully adjusted the dual time. I can simply press the view, which is also my back button, to get back to my main screen, and you can see that my dual time has been adjusted. Very easy. I hope it makes sense, but if you got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.